Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily make chili dogs in a rice cooker. Now this is super easy to do. Well, first off, you're going to need a rice cooker, of course. I recommend a 6-cup or bigger. Now you can do this with, they make the small 3-cup ones. It's just you'll have to kind of bend the hot dogs a little bit to get them in there. And you might actually only be able to do half a package at a time because we got to get our chili in here as well. 6-cup works perfect. Then we're going to need some hot dogs, and I was at my grocery store today, and they had these on sale for 69 cents, so couldn't pass that deal up. Normally these are like almost $2, I think. Then we're also going to need some chili. And I was actually, after the grocery store, I was at my local dollar store. And they had this stuff, of course, $1. And now I don't mind having the beans in my chili when I have chili dogs. Some people do prefer to have the chili without the beans. If you're in a bind and all you can get is the stuff with the beans and you don't want the beans on there, you can throw it in a blender. For a minute or two, blend it up. It does kind of make everything kind of a little bit mushy, but that's an option. I have tried it. It does work. All right, so first, open up the package of hot dogs. What kind are these? The John Morels, huh? These are the bun length. So they're just a little bit longer than your standard hot dog. But I already checked earlier, they fit in here without having to bend them. So put our hot dogs in there and spread them out a little bit. All right. Now we gotta open up our can of chili. Go. And we'll dump that in there. All right. I might have to get a spoon here in a minute, and yeah, there ain't much left in there. We'll be fine. Not bad chili. Got a little bit of spice to it. All right, at this point, you can add onions if you'd like cooked onions. Myself, I like to wait until I put it in a bun and put the chili on. I like my onions raw. You could add some like hot peppers or any other seasonings you want to put in. You can add that. Now, I don't recommend putting cheese in here at this stage. I do find if you want your cheese on your chili dog, you put the cheese. You take your hot dog out when it's cooked, then put your cheese on there, and then put the chili over it, and it melts it down. That works really good. So, all right, well, we got that in there. Put our lid on. Start our rice cooker. Now, this is a fairly new rice cooker. I've only cooked a couple things in this. I haven't cooked chili dogs in this particular one before. So I'm going to start the timer. I'm actually not too sure how long. I'm thinking about, probably around 10 to 15 minutes is all it should take to have this fully cooked. So, all right, I'll let the camera roll for a minute or two, but I'll speed it up real quick, and then I'll cut it off. And then I'll start the video back up when it's done, and we'll take a look at it when it's done. So, all right, I'll catch you back in just a few. All right, we just hit 20 minutes, and I checked this just a minute before. I was thinking about 15 minutes, but like I said, this is a new rice cooker, so cooking times are a little different. Also, this is the first time I did an entire package. Previously, when I did this, I only did 3 or 4 hot dogs, usually like 3, and I was doing it in my little 3 cup, and so I was only using half a can of chili to boot. But as you can see, that's boiling away in there, so we can go ahead and stop the timer. So we're at 21 minutes, basically figured 20 minutes. Now that's done. Now I did about 3 times while the camera was off stir this, just so nothing was getting burned. I don't think it would, but all right, well, now next you just get your bun or your piece of bread. I actually forgot to get buns. I was gonna, but I've got bread, so I'm going to take and put my hot dog on there. Then, like I said, if you want to use cheese, I recommend putting the cheese on the hot dog and then put your chili on it because it melts it. Now, you could use grated cheese or shredded cheese, whatever you want to call it. But I had some cheese slices, so I just got half a cheese slice. Then, we just need a scoop or 2 of chili. Oh, that's more than enough. I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. There you go. That is how you make chili dogs in a rice cooker. All right. Well, thanks for joining us here today at the Z Hut. I hope you have a great day. And remember, you can cook more than rice in a rice cooker.